Sleep meditation for anti-aging. Tonight, as you settle into rest, know that you are about to give yourself a gift, a gentle journey into the deep, nourishing places within you. This meditation is designed to guide you softly into relaxation, into reflection, into a state where your body, your mind, and your spirit can begin to restore and renew. Stay with me until the end, and you'll find a quiet space where youth is not measured in years, but in the vitality you carry inside you. So now, close your eyes gently. Let your body become heavier, as if the bed is gently holding you, supportive, quiet, safe. Let's begin by inviting your breath to slow down. Like a tide receding softly from the shore. Inhale slowly, and as you exhale, release any lingering tension from your day. Feel your shoulders soften. Feel your hands relax. Feel your jaw loosen. Allow your whole body to sink deeper into comfort. Now, in your mind's eye, imagine you are walking through a vast, serene garden. The air is crisp, filled with the scent of fresh earth and blooming flowers. The sky above you is painted in soft twilight blues and violets, and the ground beneath you feels steady, alive, and welcoming. As you walk slowly, each step is light, as if you are gliding. And here, in this peaceful space, you begin to remember the simple ways you can nourish your youth, not from the outside, but from the inside out. Listen softly. Allow these truths to settle deep into you. Feed your body with awareness. Choose foods that are alive with the energy of the sun, the soil, the rain, fresh fruits, vibrant greens. Foods that carry life into your cells. Move your body with joy, not as an obligation, but as a celebration of being alive. Stretch, dance, walk. Let movement be your quiet prayer to vitality. Choose rest with care. Sleep is not simply an escape from the day. It is your sanctuary of renewal. Honor it. Protect it. Keep your mind awake by learning something new each day. Curiosity is the secret door that keeps the mind young and clear. Offer gratitude for the simple moments. Gratitude polishes the lens through which you see the world, allowing wonder to find you again. Nurture your connections. Surround yourself with people who bring light to your days, whose laughter warms you, whose kindness holds you. Breathe deeper and slower. Every breath connects you to the steady rhythm of life itself. Stay open to change. Flexibility in body, in thought, in heart is the true fountain of youth. Tend to your thoughts with tenderness. Kindness toward yourself plants seeds of renewal deep within. And above all, live with a sense of purpose. A purpose does not have to be grand. It only needs to be true. It is purpose that gives your days meaning and your spirit brightness. Now resting deeper in this quiet place within you, let these affirmations drift softly across your mind. There is no need to repeat them. Simply listen. Allow them to weave into the fabric of your being like soft threads of light. My body renews itself every day. I feel alive and strong. With each breath, I fill with energy. With each exhale, I release fatigue. I am open to new experiences. My mind is clear, flexible, and calm. I choose thoughts that fill me with light and joy. My life is filled with meaning, and every day I grow, I gratefully care for myself. Nourishing my body, my mind, and my soul. My energy flows freely and effortlessly. I feel lightness in every cell. My heart is open to the world. I create harmonious connections and feel supported. I allow myself to be in the flow of life with ease, with joy, with confidence. Youth lives within me. It reflects in my thoughts, my actions, and my smile. Every day I feel better. In body, in mind, in spirit. I am grateful for my ability to renew and blossom at every age. Now, allow yourself to drift, knowing that these seeds you have planted tonight, with your breath, with your openness, with your quiet trust, will continue to grow gently within you. There is no need to rush. Just rest. Trust the process. Trust the quiet wisdom of your own body and heart. Whenever you feel the need to reconnect with this feeling, this sense of deep, vibrant renewal, return to this meditation. Each time you listen, the roots of your youth, your clarity, your joy will grow a little deeper. Good night, dear one. You are whole. You are radiant. You are timeless. Thank you for meditating with me. I hope this experience brought you peace and renewal. For deeper relaxation, subscribe and explore more meditations. And don't forget to download my app, RELEXA, Relax and Sleep, to carry this calmness with you anytime, anywhere. Wishing you serenity and restful moments. See you next time.